Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to automatically share Google Photos with a partner in your Windows laptop or PC. So at first just open up your Chrome browser and then open up Google Photos. You have to just click on this menu icon at the top right corner, then just open Photos. From here click on this settings icon which you can find at the top right corner, and then scroll down, then click on sharing option, then click on partner sharing. Here you can see automatically share photos with a partner. Now from here you can choose day. Just click here. You can select any day. If I click here and then select your day, then choose any option. You can choose all photos and photos of certain people. I'm just select all photos and then click on next. Then you have to type your partner email address. Then just select it and then click here. Then click on send invitation. Now your partner will get an invitation by email. When your partner accepts your invitation, then your Google Photos will be shared automatically with your partner. And that's it. And that is how you can automatically share your Google Photos with partner in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.